In this video, I'll teach you how to master the art of selling your video editing skill. Remember, it is not enough to have a skill. You must also know how to master the business side of your skill. There are two things that are involved in selling your skill. Number one is mastering the skill and also mastering the business side of your skill. If you master your skill, you are one step forward to mastering the business side of your skill. But you don't need to be the best out there before you start getting clients, making sales and getting paid. All you need to do is to master the business side of your skill. You necessarily don't need to be very good at your skill. You necessarily don't need to be perfect with your skill before you start making sales, before you start working with clients, and before you start, making the big bucks from video editing. Now let's move to mastering your video editing skill. Now that you have chosen this skill, video editing, as a skill to make money for you on the internet, you should also learn how to master the business side of it. Now, master your skill. How do you master your skill? You master your skill by consistently creating videos. So many people don't want to follow the process of consistently creating videos. How do you consistently create videos? Give for example, someone like me, I put out at least a video or say 2 videos per week. So the more consistently I put out videos, the better I become with creating videos. Because when you are creating videos consistently, you tend to discover new things, you tend to discover new tricks, you tend to discover new styles of editing videos. So if you are consistently creating videos, you will definitely become better with creating videos. And you should also watch tutorial videos on the internet. If you are consistently watching tutorial videos, you are also going to learn a whole lot of video editing styles and new different methods for editing your videos. So watch tutorial videos to learn new ways of editing and also practice your video editing skill by consistently creating videos. So give for example, I put out a video on YouTube, consistently. I also put out videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts and also Facebook Reels, right? So you can decide to be putting out 1 video per week or 2 videos per week if you have the time and energy, right? So if you are consistently creating videos, definitely your content would attract people to you. So take the opportunity of the internet and start creating valuable videos that would add value to people's lives. When you are creating videos like that, you begin to attract people to you. So all you should do is to focus on creating better videos. When you focus on creating better videos, you'll be able to increase your engagement on the internet. You'll be able to increase your followership. Overall, you'll be able to improve your sales, right? Increase your engagement, increase how you interact with people on the internet. Talk with so many strangers on the internet because you are putting out valuable content. So when you put out valuable video content, they see you as a go-to person that they can come to solve their problems, right? And when you are creating videos that are solving people's problems, they can always come to you, to edit their videos, and they can also always come to you for you to train them. Now let's move to mastering the business side of your skill. Mastering the business side of your skill is highly important if you want to rake in sales for your video editing business. How do you master the business side of your skill? By learning sales, by learning advertising, and learning how to publicize your skill, your content, and whatever it is that you are offering. Now, this is a practical way to learn sales. The practical way to learn sales is by watching videos on sales, by listening to ebooks on sales, audiobooks on sales, reading books on sales, right? So when you immerse yourself with content on sales, you will better learn how to sell, right? So the more exposed you are to selling information, the more exposed you are to, people like Dan Lok, people like Wolf of the Wall Street, and so many other people like that on the internet that teach sales. Definitely, you are going to improve your selling, and you should also be selling yourself. Selling your skill, you are going to be able to improve how you sell, how you interact with people, and how to close more sales for your video editing business. So learn sales, learn advertising. How do you learn advertising? Just like the way you learn sales. Watching videos on advertising, reading books on advertising and publicity, and also listening to audiobooks. When you are immersed in learning, definitely you are increasing your capacity to earn. As a video editor, you are not only focusing on editing videos alone, but also reaching more people for your editing business. Since this is what you love to do, you love to edit videos, an opportunity for you is to create videos that would attract people to you. If you can create content that attracts people to you, definitely you may never run out of video editing business. You may never run out of your service business because you are creating video content, you are creating valuable video content that is attracting people to you. And when people are attracted to you, you can always charge them. As a video editor, a digital entrepreneur, or online entrepreneur, you should also learn paid advertising. Learn paid advertising like Facebook advertising, Google advertising, Instagram ads, and so many social media ads like that. If you are able to learn social media advertisement, you will increase your chances for earning. You would increase increase your earning capacity, right? You are going to increase how people come to you. When it comes to doing online business, you need a lot of persons to know you. The more people that know you, the more people that like you and trust you, the more people that will want to do business with you. So you must be willing to put yourself out there. You must be willing to put out your services, even your pricing out there to the world, right? So you must learn how to advertise, be it paid advertising or organic advertising. So whichever one you love to do, ensure you are making people know the services you have to offer. You cannot just have a skill and keep it to yourself. Your skill is valuable, and your skill is going to be valuable to millions of people out there. So as a video editor, you want to be able to publicize your skill to thousands and even millions of people, right? So if a lot of persons know that you offer this skill of video editing, definitely you are going to be getting clients consistently. And this is the dream for every video editor out there, to consistently get clients. Definitely, you don't want to be running out of clients, especially when you want to make money. From my own experience, consistently working with clients will enable you to have a good cash flow. And if you are consistently working with clients, you are going to improve your skill, right? You are going to keep learning new things. You are going to keep learning a lot of things that you never discovered. Because when you are working with clients, they are going to push you to your limit. When I say push you to your limit, they are going to make you discover things that you never discovered yourself as a video editor, right? So when you are working with such persons, you are going to learn a whole lot of things that you never discovered before, because they will definitely ask you to make some corrections to the video that you created. As a newbie video creator that wants to master the art of selling his video editing skill, one thing you need to do is to volunteer for small businesses, volunteer for companies, and volunteer for organizations on the internet. If you want to be able to secure deals with clients, you have to build trust with them first. So if you don't have a track record of videos that you have created, or you don't have a portfolio, I would advise you to walk up to potential clients on social media. So on Instagram, on LinkedIn, or on any social media platform, you can message at least say 5 persons a day or 5 businesses a day. Pitch yourself and your services to them and tell them that you can create a video for their business. It is as simple as that. Not everyone will respond to you. This should not discourage you from sending those cold DMs, right? So as a video editor that is just starting out and you don't have clients that you are working with, and you want to build a client base, you want to build a set of people that you can consistently work with, you need to go out, you need to reach out to businesses, let them know you are a video editor, let them know that you can do this, and you don't have a portfolio, right? So you can use this to start building a portfolio. You can volunteer to organizations that want to do an event, you can volunteer to companies that want to make sales for their products, and you can create videos for them at a small fee, and if you so choose, you can create videos for them for free. But I wouldn't advise you create videos for them for free. Creating videos actually costs you money, right? For me, creating videos costs me money because I need to do my research on the internet. I need to put some things together, and these things cost money. These things cost me data. So for you that are just starting out and you need money to create videos, right? So you can actually charge a small fee to those companies, to those organizations, to those businesses. Charge a small fee, and you can start from there by building a portfolio for yourself. So these videos that you create, save them on Vimeo, right? So you can open your Vimeo account, or you can simply put them in a Google Drive folder, right? So everyone has access to a Gmail account. So Gmail gives you access to Google Drive. So once you have a Google Drive, you can easily upload your videos to Google Drive and title that Google Drive folder as My Video Portfolio. So anytime anybody comes to you and requests for works that you have done, or request for your portfolio, you can easily send your portfolio to them. You can easily send that Google Drive link that you have put all your videos in and send it to them. So this is one way that you can master the art of selling, right? So these people that you have created videos for free or at a small fee, they can become long-term paying clients. They can even become high-paying clients in the future. So you need to first of all build that relationship and remove that distrust gap between you and your client. Because you are all on the internet, and that trust needs to be built. And how do you build that trust? From the content that you create, from the videos that you create. You can also have a YouTube channel to build trust. Put out free content, put out valuable video content on your YouTube channel, and in this way you'll be able to build trust with people on the internet when they consume your video content. If you are going to master the art of selling your video editing skill, you need to sell. If you don't sell, you no go chop. So you need to consistently sell your skill to people on the internet. So this is one way to master the art of selling. When you are consistently selling, you are going to find new ways of selling, and definitely you make mistakes when you sell, but you are going to amend your mistakes if you are consistent with selling, because you learn the right way to sell and you also learn how not to sell. So no matter how many books you consume on sales, no matter how many videos you consume on sales, if you don't practically sell, you are not going to make sales. You are not going to learn the real life experience of selling. Selling online is different from selling offline. But as a video editor, most of the time you are selling online. So you need to, reach out to people and sell yourself. This is how to master the art of selling. So whatever you learn on the internet about selling, whatever you learn in a book, in an audio course, or in any sales course you take, you need to actually implement that selling skill, that selling tactics, or that selling knowledge, so that you can begin to see results. So as a video editor, you are not just a video editor, but you need to learn the art of selling, and you need to learn the skill of sales. As a video editor, a video creator, the internet gives you the opportunity to create multiple streams of income. So you are not just selling your skill as a service, you can also create a digital product too, in line with your video editing skill, right? So you can sell your skill as a service, you can also sell your skill as a product, right? So don't just focus on making money from selling your services. You can also make money from selling digital products. So what do I mean by digital products? Digital products are video lessons, video tutorials that you have created for people, right? So give for example, you can use your smartphone to create a tutorial. You can use your PC to create a tutorial with the purpose of teaching people, with the purpose of impacting your knowledge and experience into other people. So this knowledge-based product, you can decide to sell it so that you can make profit. So you are selling your skill as a service and also selling your skill as a product. So this gives you multiple streams of income, right, as a video editor. And also don't forget to put out your tutorials, put out your video lessons on YouTube, because in the long run, if you meet YouTube's requirement, you can begin to get paid on YouTube. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, leave a like on this video so that the YouTube algorithm pushes this video to more persons. And if you want to keep getting more videos like this, feel free to subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.